Hi, I'm Chris, and today I'll be demonstrating how to operate and clean the fryer. The tools you will need for the fryer today are fryer baskets themselves, tongs, and fryer pans. We use these to drain out the frying liquid when you take out the food, usually in place of flour. To start off, the cooking method for a fryer is so surprising: deep frying, which is a dry cooking method, dry heat cooking method, and it's convection. You turn on the fryer, go down here, you see this little area? I already have it turned on. When we have it, we usually have it started at pilot. Then we go all the way over here to flip it on. Then you switch this, which I have it at around 350, from that little section to whatever temperature it is. The average is 350. When putting in the food, be very, very careful not to splash these right into the oil, because this is a possible outcome of what happens if it was a lot more. You can show that. When you're cooking, just dump these right on in. Then have them in there, wait for the food to get cooked. When it's all done, pull it back out, let it drip for a bit, then put it into these. Now that we've messed up some of the fryer, we can go ahead and clean it. The tools you'll need for cleaning it are a spider, a cleaning towel, that's a bucket of hot soapy water. Pretend there are 3 buckets here. One of hot soapy water, one of hot water, and one of hot sanitizer. Hot sanitizer water. To clean the fryer, let's go into these steps. So first off, watch out when you're cleaning up here. You usually want to take these off, take them to the tank people over there. Tank. Dish room. Then, when you're right here, make sure you wring out very good. Oh, did I forget to mention, make sure you turn this thing off. And when you're turning it off, do not go all the way to the off area. Go back to pilot. And then, if you want, you can go any order this way, but always set this back to off. Now, make sure your towel will wring back. Start off with the hot soapy water. But since we're not using some water during the center, then wipe down the sides. Then wipe down in here. Make sure you get as hard as you can into there to get off the grease. Since this is a preliminary, I'm not going to try my hardest. Then when you're going around the sides, be very careful not to get the towel into the oil. Get burned. And I've seen a few people that have done that, and I'm one of them. Be sure you take these off. Then get the sides, get the other side, get the inside and outside of the door, and then bottom. And wipe around as much as you can. Then repeat with the hot water, and then do it one last time with the hot sanitizer. Since we were doing a preliminary, I was using sanitizer. Then once that's all done, put the baskets right in here, hanging right here. Always put them right here. Not unless Ms. D asks you to place it into one of these. Now, as a recap, the average heat for the fryer is 350 degrees. And when cleaning, use this spider. And what should you do with the fryer basket? Just flush it. And I'm talking to you, Dylan. And the cooking method is dry heat. You're turning off the fryer by turning this dial to off and this dial to pilot. And the purpose of the center valve is for draining out the oil when you're refreshing, but that's a different thing that you can ask Ms. D about. Okay, and the last thing, these are placed here. This is the temp gauge, the temp dial, and this is the on and off, or off, or pilot switch. And oil goes there. And I'm Chris, and this was the deep fryer method.